Yo, what's going on, everybody? TJ here for part two. This is episode two of my stock and options trading journey. All right, so in this last video, you saw that I had bought Gopro, right? And I put a covered call option on it. Brief overview: what is a covered call? A covered call is pretty much you own 100 shares of the stock, okay? And then you can place a call above it. If it hits this call, you are obligated to sell it at this price. If it does not hit this call, then you keep the credit that you received and you keep your 100 shares. So last week I did that. I bought GoPro at $4.87, 100 shares of it. Last week I had a $5 cover call and it did not hit it. As you can see, it actually went down here. So that means that I kept my $7, $8 for the week. I'm actually waiting for the journal to update so I can show you guys exactly what happened with that trade. So I can show you exactly what my profit margin was on that, but it hasn't updated yet. So hopefully by the end of this video, because I'm going to show you guys the end of this trade as well before I upload this, and hopefully that'll be there. So that was successful. Now I am in another covered call on GoPro. So let's look at my positions. Check out GoPro. Come up here, check out the chart. So I did it again. So I'm going to get another credit for this trade. And we will see. Hopefully it doesn't actually end up hitting. It's actually getting pretty damn close. It's at $4.91. We're having a major update today. It actually went into my profit margin on the stock trade itself, which that is cool, but it is getting a little bit close to my cover call. And if it sells, then that's cool because I went in down here. So no matter what, if it sells, I'm in profits. But if it doesn't, then I keep the credit and I keep my shares. And that's kind of what I really actually want. So hopefully it just kind of stays around this range. But if it goes up, no big deal. That's still money in the bank. All right. Here's where the balance is so far. Up $61.59 so far today. It is June 23rd, Tuesday of 2020. And that's what we're looking like on the GoPro. As you can see, my stock is up $4 at a 0.82% gain. I want to keep it under $5. If not, then I'll lose all the credit that I was given, but no big deal. Like I just said, I'm still going to make some money. All right, what else we got going on? I'm actually going to save this part for last. This is the coolest one. So Activision Blizzard. We all know that Blizzard dominates people staying inside. So I figured if we're going to be in this coronavirus shit, we might as well invest in something that's going to keep people socially distanced and staying inside. And I don't mean to come at anybody if you play any Blizzard Activision games. I spent a lot of time in high school and even after high school playing a lot of World of Warcraft. So I get it. I totally know how it works. But now I'm in a position where I can look at that and see this is a money-making opportunity. All right. So what do we got going on over here? We have the 71.5 bought that put. And this is probably the 72 put. Yes, it is. So this is a bull put spread. It is a credit spread. So all this has to do is stay above this red line until it expires. And if it does, then I make money. So, oh, I'm sorry, for the GoPro covered call, we have 3 more days till expiration. So on Friday, this will expire. And if it hits $5, then it'll sell. If it doesn't, then I keep my shares and I keep my credit. So we will see what happens in 3 days. Up 23 cents, and we only have 8 cents to go. I'm sorry, 7 cents to go. So we'll see. You never know, right? Either way, it'll be good. So I'm not worried about that. Here it is, the Activision Blizzard I just went into all of these trades yesterday, by the way, on Monday. Today's Tuesday. Activision Blizzard, we are up 96 cents today. So far, I'm in $6.63 profit, but that's going to go up a lot within the next 9 days. I sold 10 contracts and I bought 10 contracts just because what I'm doing here, what I've learned is to only put 10% or less of your account into any trade. So I try to make it around like 10%. So I could afford 10% in my account here. So I'm at $4,414. So 10% of that is $441 per trade. So I got that on Activision Blizzard. And we just have to stay above $72 in 9 days. IWM. So IWM is the Russell 2000. This is an indice, which is really, really awesome to play because you don't have to worry about earnings on indices. Plus, it's made up of 2,000 different companies, so it's a lot more stable and steady. All my positions this week are bullish because I see a bullish trend on everything. Here is the Russell 2000 IWM. And I can see that here is the bottom. We got a high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. This closed a little bit higher than the last low. A way higher high, way higher low, way higher high, higher low, and here we are today. So this direction is a bullish trend, and that is what I'm playing. All of these orange little lines are my support and resistance lines by price, and then these blue lines is just a general trend, so I can just really visually see that this is an uptrend. So what do we got going on here? We are actually, so we have a red candlestick today, but the market opened so much higher up than where it closed yesterday that even though it's a red candle, we're still in profits for the day compared to where we were yesterday. It is currently 12:08 p.m. I'm currently on the East Coast for this video, and that means that the market will close at 4:30 p.m. today, this local time. All we have to do is stay above this put, this red line right here, which I believe is a 132. Let me see. Yep, the 132 put. All right, so 143.47. All we have to do is stay over 132 for the next 7 days. Next trade. Trying to not make this video too long here. USO. All right, I'm really, really excited to see how this one plays out. This is going to be my first live call. I just bought a call. Very basic call trade. No crazy bull put, buy this, sell this type of thing. I just bought one contract, one call. This has the potential for the most profit out of all my trades. These ones are all like, according to my deltas, like 80 to 90% success rate. But this one has a little bit more risk because I had to put the money up front. I had to actually pay $425, which I actually went in between it a little bit. So I think I actually paid $420. And we'll see if it stays in the profit margin. Hopefully it does. So far, we're on our first day. It is at 2.24% gain with $9.33. So I did a call on the 27 strike. So it's got to be above 27. I forget exactly what the break even number will be. It expires in 115 days. But this is where the magic is. Ready? This is United States oil, okay? Normally we are here. Let's look at back here in 2019. This range here is from $86 to $106 a share. Okay. We are currently trading at $29. We are way, way, way low. So coming back to present day, here is where, trying to get that box out of the way. Here's where the market was before coronavirus crashed. Dropped it all the way down here. And now we are slowly making our way back up on a bullish trend. So the higher this gets, the more I make. With it, every single dollar that it goes up, I make even more on the next dollar. We have 115 days to go on this trade. I see a very strong bullish trend so far. I know that the market has been all the way up to freaking 105 and we're at 29. So we will see how that plays out. All right, so that is my update so far. Here's a quick little clip of the beginning of the month of a crypto trade, just a little quick segment just so you can see that I'm doing some crypto trading as well. But then after that clip, we will start where these trades actually end. All right, so I figured that I would also record me doing some crypto trading over here. All right, let's see. Right now, Bitcoin just spiked, got crazy, and I want to sell this. So what I'm going to do is come down here to sell. All right, and just sold Bitcoin. Already sold my Ethereum. What else do I have? Any Litecoin in here? I do. A lot of Litecoin. Sell it. And just pulled in $934. Just like that. Let's see. Let's deposit from Coinbase. Dope. I sold actually like $200 more than I thought I had in here, so that's awesome. All right, and now I'm just gonna wait for that shit to tank again and go back in. All right, so we are 1 day later. It is currently 12:32 p.m. Just wanted to show you guys this because this is part of going through the trades. I am down $158 so far today. USO is at 27.19. I really don't want to hit 27 because then I could get called out and lose all of my investment on that one. But hopefully it doesn't do that and we stay in the game. We have 2 green signals and it's a bull trend, so I know that it's going to go up over time. Well, actually, I don't know. You can never know, but that's what all of the analysis is indicating, so it's a pretty good chance. Gopro did not hit $5, so that's cool. Going to be making money on the call. Have 2 more days on that. Activision is down a little itty bit. And the Russell is down $54. So what is going on? We got coronavirus scare, more cases found. So here's a huge red candle down, but we are starting to pull up a little bit now. And we can see where this goes for the rest of the day. So far, we're actually still in profits overall because as long as it doesn't hit these red lines, which is way down here, see, look, it's already pulling up. And I bet you we end up closing like somewhere up here too, but we'll see. You never know. Got another 4 hours of the day, and just wanted to show you guys because this is part of the process. Negative $174 right now. and we will continue on and see how the rest of the week goes. All right, today it is July 3rd, and these trades have gone through, so let's check out and see exactly how they did. For the third time, this is the third time I'm recording this part of the video. So we had a cover call on GoPro. That was successful. Got $6 out of that one. So we're chipping away at that cost of me buying the GoPro, 100 shares of GoPro stock. Up here we did a bull put on IWM, the Russell 2000. That was successful. Got $70 out of that one. Activision Blizzard had a bull put on it. Successful, $70. And then I actually did another cover call on GoPro for only 2 days long and got another $7 out of that. All right, so the win ratio now, we are at 81.82% success ratio. Really, really awesome and happy about that. That is a good win percentage. Still negative on the total profit loss. Those first two trades just annihilated me. Look at 488 negative on the first trade, and then it was I think $110 I lost on the second trade. So right now we're just chipping out of that, getting our money back. Now that I'm a lot smarter, a lot more educated on options trading, and as you can see here, we're making some money. Right now, I still have a long call on USO, and as you can see on my trade platform, these are both green. The technicals and the inner circle are both green, so that is a good indication that the stock's going to be going up. Plus, we're on a bull trend. It does say that I'm negative $45 right now. That is okay, as you've seen in the beginning of this video. It does not mean it's going to close in a negative. We have 105 days for this to continue to go up. All it has to do is keep climbing past $27. Right now it's at $28.75. And yesterday it was tipping the 29 price. So I know that we're just going to keep on going up, and we'll see what that ends up closing at. This could be a longer hold, but it could also not be. So keep an eye out and see what ends up happening with that one. GoPro, $4.76 is the current price of GoPro. I went in at $4.87, so you would think that I'm actually negative $8. That is what it's saying that I'm at. But you got to also realize that I keep doing cover calls on this thing. So I decided to make a little spreadsheet to keep track of all this stuff. So my essential cost was actually $4.65, right? Because I bought 100 shares, so $465 is what it comes out to. So I really bought it at $4.86, but from me keep doing these cover call, and I'm going to keep on doing that, it's actually only $465 that I spent. So we're actually really in profits, but we're going to keep chipping away at this. The goal is to keep chipping away and then have 100 shares of GoPro for free, and then I'll just be able to sell that at whatever price I want, whenever I want. Unless they start paying out dividends, then I'm just going to keep holding it. But they don't do that right now, so hopefully they do by the time I pay it off. But if not, then I'll just sell it and make money on that. All right. Crypto, I actually sold and then went back in at $225.52. Right now, the price is $226.69.76. As you can see, crypto is constantly moving. Crypto market does not close. This is my portfolio. This is where I'm at with my crypto. What I'm doing strategy-wise for crypto is I just kind of wait for the market to have a major dip down, and then I go in, and then I wait for it to have a major spike up, and then I pull out, and then I just wait, and then if it has a major dip down, then I go in, and now I'm waiting for it to have its major spike up so I can resell it. Really simple strategy, definitely not as intense as my options and stock trading, but it's working and it's nice and in the background, just doing its thing. All right, I hope you guys like this video. I hope that these little tips and tricks and strategies that I'm showing you is helpful to you. If it is, or if you just like seeing my journey, then make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my stock, option, crypto trading, as well as other entrepreneurial ventures as well as travels, because Tori and I are currently road tripping back and forth across America right now. So I'm going to be uploading a bunch of videos of that as well. So if you want to see any of that stuff, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified on our next video. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Later.